Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today our topic is crane, a bird crane. It is made by only one single paper, but it should be a square shape. You can't use a rectangular shaped paper. If you have a A4 size paper, you can cut it in a square and you can make this crane. Look. It will look like this when you will make food. You can use in decorations. You can also use in your scrapbook for sticking, and you can also gift someone to your friend or someone. Now we are going to start our session. First you have to take a plain square paper. Then you have to half it like this. I will show you. Like this. Then again you have, this is the upward. Now you have to fold it like this. You will get 1, 2, 3, 4 squares in one paper. Then you have to opposite the direction of the page like this and make a triangle like this. Then you have to fold it. Look, I have folded it. And again from here to here you have to fold it. Look, now you can see the lines from here. One is from here, one is from here, one is from here, and one is from here. There, now you can do next step. Now you have to make this line folded as this. I will show you how, and from here also. Now it will look like this, and from here it will, I will show you again. We have folded all the sides, then turn the page. It will look like this. Then you have to fold from here and catch it from here, and then it will look like this, and again you have to fold it like this, and you will have a squares like structure. Look, then it will look like this. Then you have to fold here to the middle like this. This I have taken the page, then I am folding it from to the middle like this. This was the plain page, then I have folded it like this. Then again I am folding this to the next side. I'm showing you. First I will do that. Look, it will look like this. You can see it nicely. Then you have to fold this edge to the middle like this. I'm showing you like this. You can see it will look like this. Then you have to open it, and you have to first open your edge that you have folded, and you have to open it like this. Then you have to open it. I will show you, don't be fast. Stay with me. I am going to do with you. If I am fast, so you can repeat my video again. Don't worry. Look, it will look like this. What I have done here, it was like this. Then I have opened this like this. You can see here. It will look like this. Then you have to fold this edge to the middle and this edge to the middle. I will show you how. It should look like a cone. Look like this. It was like this, so you have to take this edge to here, and this edge also you have to take in the middle. Now you can see perfectly it will look like this, and the same thing you have to do at the back side. First you have to do it like this from both the sides. Look, it will look like this. This is down, you have to look, it is like this. Then you have to at the back side it is. Then you have to open it. Then you have to open the page like this that I have shown you how to open it. Don't worry, if you are not getting, you can review my video again. Look, it will look like this. Now we have to do it like this itself. It will look from both the sides. It is ready, from here also and from here also. Then you have to take this part to here. First you have to do this side, first you have to take, then open it a little bit, then tilt from the down. No, first you have this, then take it like this. Okay, first do this from both the sides. Look. Anywhere from you can do. Then make it like this, then open from one side and get it upward direction. Look, it will look like this. Now it is getting the shape of a crane. Look what I have done. This was like this, then I have opened this a little bit, then taken this part at the upward direction. Same here, you have to do like this. You have to first open it, take this at the upward direction, and you will get your crane base ready. Now this is the part you have made like this. Now it is getting the shape of this. Then you have to make the faces of it. You can make the face from here also and from here also. It's your decision. I am making the face from here. Look what I have done. This was like this, then I have bent it from here and it's ready. Then you can fold from here to make the wings ready from both the sides. Okay, like this you can see. Then you can tilt it up and it is ready. You can see, and you can see here also. This was a small page, so it is not so big, but it was a big one. So now you can use it as your logo or something. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, share and like. If you have any query, you can go to the comment option in the down and you can ask something or you want to say, you can also ask that. And please like my video and share also. Thank you for watching.